Hi guys, I got a few questions about Section 3, Knowledge Constructor. A few of you emailed me about Activity 3, Evaluate Your Sources, and I think your questions had to do with how do you score things, how do you use the worksheet for the CRAAP test. So I'm going to click on the assignment, Evaluate Your Sources, and it tells you begin with following this link, and you may also want to click here for a detailed version of the CRAAP test. So I followed the link. Click on it, and it takes me here to this page, and it tells us the first thing we need to do is go to the top left-hand corner of the answer sheet, click on File, and then Make a Copy. Name your copy your name, comma, CRAAP test answer sheet. So the reason I've done that is so everyone no one starts typing on this paper, because this is the sheet that everyone is going to use for their template. So go to File, Make a Copy, and you're going to name it your name. Did it without doing my name. I do my name again. Okay. My name. CRAAP test answer sheet. And that way, when you come up here to share it with me after you finish, I will know who it comes from and have your name right here. So we're going to go ahead and start filling it out. I can get rid of this one up here now because we've already made our copy that we're actually going to be doing our work on. We no longer need that. And it also gave you a link here. You may want to click here to see a detailed version of the CRAAP test answer sheet. And it looks like this. There we go. So it says you're going to use the following list to evaluate your sources, and you're going to give each of these a rating from 1 to 10. 1, it's absolutely unreliable. 10, it's an excellent source. 5 is going to be about halfway in the middle. It may be okay, may not be too bad. You may not be too good. So you're going to go anywhere from 1 to 10 to put in these boxes here. So let's go ahead and start doing it. And I've got 2 open, so I'm going to close one so I don't have too many open. There we go. Okay, my name. Okay, my topic. I chose the assassination of Abraham Lincoln. And my first source I decided to use was, I think it was called history.com. I think the other one was Ford.org, if I remember. Ford.org. No, that's not it. So let's see. Okay. Assassination of Abraham Lincoln. Okay, history.com is one I chose. And the other one was called Fords.org. Fords.org. So I'll write that one here. Okay, and now I'm going to come down, and for source 1, which was history.com, I'm going to give them a score of 1 to 10 on each of these. So how current is the website? Okay, this one is not going to matter too much. Even if it was, written in 1980, that's still years after the assassination. We've got most of the information we need. Usually, if you go to the bottom, you can find out when this was updated last. And I'm just going to start looking around, seeing the evidence, see if I can find a date on it somewhere. And I don't see a date anywhere. But the date is probably not going to be very relevant because this happened, like in 1865. So I don't see a date anywhere. So it's probably okay. All right. So for currency, when was it published? Has the information been revised or updated? Is the information and all the links current, or are they out of date? So we can try one of the links, try clicking on one and see if it's current. Examine the evidence. Let's click on one. As long as there's no broken links, probably okay, because things that are out of date, The links are usually broken. Yeah, looks like everything's working. Looks like it's okay. So I'm going to give this a score of a 10. Okay, relevance. Is this relevant to my topic? Definitely. It's all it's about. Ford's Theater, it's a big deal. So definitely relevant. You have a score of 10. Authority. Okay, the people that wrote this, are they authorities on the subject? Yes, they are. They do their homework. Ford's Theater, they are the absolute authority on this. So I can give them a 10. If this was just written by a conspiracy theorist, someone that just has ideas about it, no, it would not be a good authority. Accuracy. Yeah, it's very accurate. Got a good, accurate website here. And if you're not sure, remember, you can come back over here and look at these things. Accuracy. Is the information supported by evidence? Yes, Ford's Theater is all about evidence. Has the information been reviewed or referred? Yes, all of this. Okay, come back on over here. Purpose. If you don't know what it means, come over to the CRAAP test. Purpose. What is the purpose of the information? Well, the purpose is to inform you. It's Ford's Theater. It's also a little bit of entertainment, but it is to inform you, to tell you exactly what happened. Okay, and do the author sponsors make their intentions or purpose clear? Yeah, it's very clear. Is it opinion? Is it propaganda? Is it, are there political, ideological, cultural, religious, institutional, personal biases? No biases here. This is just the facts, so that's a good thing. So I'm going to give this a score of 10. And mine got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then for the outcome, if you come down here, the possible outcomes, score of 50 is an excellent source. So I can write down excellent. Okay, then I'm going to come over and do the same thing for source 2. My source 2, I switched those, was fords.org was one, and history.com. Let me put that one here. But you'll do the same thing there. Just fill the sheet out. I hope this has helped. When you are finished, come up to share, and you're going to make sure that you share it with me. That and send. And you'll be finished. Good luck.